Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm your host Sid, and today we have a special request from one of our subscribers, Mahalakshmi, who asked us to explain the fascinating world of oscillations. So, this video is dedicated to you, Mahalakshmi. Oscillations are all around us. From the pendulum in a clock to the vibrations of a guitar string, oscillatory motion is an essential part of our daily lives. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of oscillations, as outlined in the NCERT Physics textbook for 11th grade CBSE. But before we begin, let's understand what exactly oscillations are. In simple terms, oscillations refer to repetitive back and forth motion around a central position. It's like a cycle that repeats itself over time. Oscillations are a type of periodic motion. Periodic motion is a motion that repeats itself at regular intervals. It is characterized by a cycle or pattern that occurs repeatedly. To help us visualize this concept, let's consider a simple pendulum. When a pendulum swings from one extreme point to the other and back again, it undergoes oscillatory motion. The motion of the pendulum repeats itself, creating a pattern. The motion of the pendulum can be described as a back and forth motion around its equilibrium position, which is the point of stable balance. This back and forth motion is what we refer to as oscillations. Now that we understand the basic idea of oscillations, let's take a look at some examples mentioned in the NCERT textbook. From a swinging pendulum to the vibrations of a mass spring system, oscillatory motion can be observed in various systems. The textbook explains different types of oscillations, including simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion is a type of oscillatory motion that is characterized by a restoring force proportional to the displacement from the equilibrium position. In simple harmonic motion, the motion is repetitive and follows a sinusoidal pattern. It's a fascinating concept that we will explore in more detail in our upcoming videos. That brings us to the end of our introduction to oscillations, as per the NCERT Physics textbook. Thank you for joining us today as we embarked on this journey into the world of oscillations. If you have any further questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Stay curious, keep learning, and I will see you in our next video, where we will delve deeper into periodic motion and simple harmonic motion. Until then, take care and happy learning.